Welcome to my video about how to find the mean, median, and mode along with some outliers. Hopefully this video will help you kind of refresh your brain and get moving so you can solve these problems. So first we have a few questions. The first one is, what is the mean? The mean is the average central number of a set of numbers. Okay, so we're looking at the set of data given and we're going to add the numbers together. The mean, we need to add them together, which gives us 67. And then we look at how many terms we have. Notice that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. So we're going to have 67. We're going to divide that by the 5 terms that we had, and we get a mean of 13.4. What is the median? The median is the number in the exact center of a set of numbers. So given our set of data, again, we're going to reorder these numbers from least to greatest. So we have now 12, 13, 13, 14, and 15. And then the question is, what number is in the middle of the set? Well, if you go from the outside in, that very middle number is 13. What if we have a median, or we're trying to find a median, and there is no middle number, okay, like the set given? What we're going to do is we're going to take the average, or kind of like the mean, of the two numbers that are both in the middle. So we're going to add the two up and divide them by 2. So the two terms that are in the very middle are 13 and 14, so we're going to add those together, we divide them by 2, and we get the number 13.5. The next question is, what is the mode? The mode is the number that occurs the most often in the set of numbers. Given our set of data again, is there a number that appears more often than any other? Well, yeah, you have a 13 in there twice where every other number is just once. And one of our last questions is, what are outliers? Outliers are values that lie quite a bit higher or lower than the other numbers in a set of data. So given our set of data from earlier, tagged on a little bit different of one, is there a number that appears to stand apart from the others? Notice that 12, 13, 14, and 15 all are fairly close to each other, but that 23 just stands off in the distance kind of deal. So yes, we do have an outlier, and that number is 23. So what will change when the outlier is taken out of the set of data? Well, if we take that 23 out of the set of data, the mean is going to be what changes. So we're going to find the mean like we normally would, just without that number 23 involved. So we add our terms together, we get 67, we divide them by 5, and again we get our mean of 13.4. So now we have some practice problems. See if you can solve these problems without needing any help. Obviously, if you need help, you can ask. But pause this video to work them out and before you move on to the next problem. Alright, good luck, and hopefully this helped you.
Created using Powtoon.